Hi, in front of me is LG Wing, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibrations on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now choose Sound and click on the switcher next to Ring with Vibration to enable or disable vibrations for incoming calls. When you're done, scroll down, tap on Vibration Strength, and swipe left or right to adjust intensity of vibrations for incoming calls, notifications, or touch vibrations. When you're done, go back, tap on the switcher next to Vibrate on Tap to enable or disable touch vibrations, and lastly, click on Vibration Type and pick one of the patterns by tapping on Chosen One. When you're done, go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!